what's up and welcome back to my channel. So my battery is on the lowest and I want to quickly do this video for you guys. So I was like, why not shoot a morning skincare routine for you guys. My routine is very simple. It's just made up of 5 steps. Yes, just 5 steps. The products are super affordable and you can get them anywhere. They are drugstore products. They are things I've used for a very long time. Some of you will recognize some items here, and they've just done the work for me. For me, what I search for in a skincare routine is like even skin tone, popping skin. It may not be 100% perfect because we're humans. Very beginner friendly. If you want to start with skincare, this is something you can just reach out for. It's all skin type friendly, whatever that's sensitive, oily, whatever skin type you have, this is universal. It's going to be friendly. If you just want to start with your skincare, you don't know where to start from or what is good, what can I buy, then this is for you. It's very simple. It's straight to the point. I've washed my face and I've showed you guys how I wash my face every morning. The product I use, which is the Clean and Clear face wash, because it contains vitamin C. Incorporating vitamin C into skincare when you don't even know what product to use is a very wise one, because it helps with collagen production, which slows down aging. It also helps to brighten the complexion. It helps to keep dark spots, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin at bay. It also protects a little bit from the sun. Vitamin C is a very go-to lovely ingredient to start from if you don't know what to do. And even if you are not starting, I feel like everybody should have at a point where they consciously incorporate vitamin C into their skincare. After cleansing, I like to go with my toner. This is my toner and it is the simple soothing facial toner. It's 100% alcohol free. It's kind to skin. It's sensitive skin friendly. Simple is a sensitive skin brand. There are no perfumes, no alcohol, no harsh chemicals. We are all about no chemicals, no harsh chemicals, because everything is a chemical anyway, but no harsh chemicals. So I like to use my, what they call it, cotton pad, and just take it all over my face. Goal is to make sure the cotton bud comes out very clean after I have finished toning. If I see any dirt in it, then I know I didn't do a good job cleaning. My next step is to go into my face serum. This is the only serum I use. This is the truth. This thing glows your skin. It combines 2 very powerful active vitamin C actives, which helps with dark spots or even skin tone. This thing gives you this beautiful glow to your skin from the first day of using it, and when you continue to use it, it just makes your skin really, really beautiful. I've used it many times. This is a new bottle and I keep repairing. I also love the formula. Vitamin C is my favorite thing. Take anything from this routine, this serum is the truth. My step 4. We're almost done. You see, I told you I'm not going to take much of your time, and I'm using the Simple's replenishing rich moisturizer. For now, this is what I use and this is what works. This is a daytime routine, not a night routine. So it's just simple, does nothing. It's no artificial perfume, no fragrance, no harsh chemicals again, no color. It won't upset your skin. If you have sensitive skin, this brand is very amazing for you. So I just like to use your moisturizer to seal in all of that serum into the skin. Last step is sunscreen, of course. you guys know I'm a sunscreen girl. Always wear your sunscreen. Sunscreen is everything. You need a sunscreen if you don't want to get wrinkled and old before your time. If you battle dark spots and hyperpigmentation, you don't want them to be worse, you need sunscreen, because even if you are treating the dark spots and hyperpigmentation, it will be like the products are not working because the sun keep making them dark. You need sunscreen. To protect your skin. They say you need a lot though. You need a lot of sunscreen, but honestly, this country can get so hot. It's really, really hot. The sun is always out. So I still use a lot, but you need more than this. And yeah, my brand of sunscreen, of course, there are many sunscreen. This is that girl friendly, everybody friendly. This is the Hydro Boost sunscreen by Neutrogena. It helps to still hydrate your skin. It has a really hydrating formula. You can make sure it's SPF 50. SPF 50. That means it gives you a wide range of protection from all the different ultraviolet rays the sun emits on the skin. And you should always try to reapply sunscreen. Be at home, you need to go out again, you can just use micellar water. And I don't even know how they do that thing, but me, I don't honestly reapply because I'm mostly indoors. But if you're out and about, try to always apply sunscreen. Even some form of radiation that our phones and laptops, TVs emit, sunscreen protects you from them. So make it to always apply sunscreen during the daytime. So that's basically all and it for my simple, affordable drugstore skincare. Feel free to leave it in the comment section and I will answer them. Like this video, it makes me know the kind of videos you guys like. And until next time, bye.